Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the spool cover on this Flymo grass trimmer. If your spool cover is broken, then it will constantly fall off and is easily lost. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To identify the correct spool cover for your Flymo grass trimmer, make sure you get the model and product number from the rating plate, which is located here on the side of the trimmer. You can then look on the eSpares website for the correct part. Here we have the spool cover underneath the grass trimmer. To remove, simply push in the tabs either side and then lift away. And then to pop your new one in, push those tabs in and then click into place. So there we have it, one new spool cover fitted to this Flymo grass trimmer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.